How to fix TikTok video upload problem. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix issues with uploading videos on TikTok when nothing seems to work. Just make sure to watch till the end so you don't miss any important steps. Alright, if you're trying to post and it's not working, first save your video as a draft. Now go to your profile, tap the three lines in the top right corner, and head into Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap on Free Up Space. You'll see the option for cache. Tap on Clear and confirm it. After that, close TikTok completely. Swipe up and fully close the app. Then open it again and try uploading the video. If it still doesn't work, here's what to do next. Instead of deleting TikTok and losing your drafts, go into your iPhone settings. Scroll down to General. Then tap on iPhone Storage. Scroll and find TikTok in the list. Tap on it and choose Offload App. Confirm the decision, then reinstall the app from the same screen. This way, your drafts stay safe. Now open TikTok again and try uploading. This usually fixes the issue. If it worked, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more TikTok tips. Thanks for watching and see you in next one.